Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to add a video onto your Shopify homepage. This is an awesome way to promote your product and link different platforms in one space. So let's jump in. You can go over here now to the left-hand side, and we're going to go and tap on Online Store. And once you've tapped on that, your themes page will open, and we're going to travel to the right-hand side and we're going to tap on Customize. Now, the next thing you need to do is actually have a video. All right. So there are two ways to do this. So we're going to go now down to the bottom. Over here, it says Add Section under Template. Okay. So we're going to say Add Section. And if you scroll down, you will see that there is a video option. Now, there are a few ways you can do this. We're going to just scroll down a little bit, and it says here Shopify hosted video. And here we can select a video, and you can upload it from your device. All right. The second way of doing this is going down here to your URL section or video link section and actually using the video link from one of your other channels, such as YouTube. Now, what you're going to do is I'm going to jump into YouTube. This is now YouTube Studio, and if you click on a video or if you hold your cursor over it, there will be an option with 3 dots. You're going to go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and here you will be able to click on Get Shareable Link. All right, and now that has been copied to your clipboard. We're going to go back to that Shopify store, and here we're going to click 3 times and it'll highlight everything, and we're going to use Control and tap on V, and this is now our video link. You can see now also that it does offer you that thumbnail, and you can go down now and you can select a custom cover image. Now, this cover image is going to be the image that will be displayed here. All right, so it won't automatically use your thumbnail. The only reason you're viewing the thumbnail now is because the video link has a thumbnail attached to it. You can now select the image, or you can explore free images. So let's just use this one over here, for example, and then you can see now this is what it looks like. All right, let's go back out of the free images and we can continue down. You can give your video alt text. This means if somebody is searching for whatever is related in your video, this will help them directly get to this video. Let's have a look at the style, the look and the feel. Over here, you can make the section full width. So if you select that, it'll make it a little bit wider than its current. And then here you can change the color scheme. So let's just say change, and let's use this one, for example. You can see that the actual video section has been changed, and you can now also select different padding. So let's say we want to make that a little bit smaller, and we want to make the bottom a little bit smaller. So once we've done this, okay, we're going to go ahead and we can also add a heading over here. So currently it says video. We can make it whatever we would like according to what the video content or your store is related to. You can also change the heading size. So you can see that's small and that is the largest. You can also select the video to be played on loop. Okay, and once you are done, you can go ahead and over to the right hand side, you can tap on save. All right. Now, once this is saved, it's always a good thing on the top left, you can go and tap on exit. And it's always good to go to your online store, go over to the little eyeball icon, click on that, and this will now display your store. It's always good to double check that your settings have actually taken effect. And here's our video, and you can now click on it and it will open in the app and not in YouTube. Now, if this video was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.